Hello guys, this is Authab Dotto and welcome to our channel 120 Teaching. Welcome to the next video of LCM and HCF. Today we will discuss some other types of problems, some of which are from previous year questions. Today's first problem is the HCF and LCM of two numbers are 21 and 4641 respectively. If one of the numbers lies between 200 and 300, then the two numbers are. From MBA 2006. Solution. Now, if we look at the options, we can see that 273 is common in all the options. So 273 must be one number. Now we know second number equal to HCF into LCM by first number. Putting the values in the respective position, we can find second number equal to 21 into 4641 by 273, which is equal to 357. Our next problem is if the HCF of two numbers each greater than 13 be 13 and LCM equal to 273, then the sum of the numbers will be. From SSC 2006. Now, since HCF is 13, so the common factor between the two numbers is 13. So we can assume that the two numbers are 13x and 13y. Therefore, their LCM will be 13xy, given their LCM is 273. So according to question, 13xy equal to 273, from which xy equal to 21. Now we can write 21 as 1 into 21 or 3 into 7. So the first pair of x and y is 1, 21 and the second pair is 3, 7. From the first pair of x and y, that is 1 and 21, we can get the numbers as 13 into 1 and 13 into 21, that is 13 and 273. From the second pair of x and y, that is x equal to 3 and y equal to 7, we will get the numbers as 13 into 3 and 13 into 7, that is 39 and 91. Since the numbers cannot be 13, so 39, 91 is the only accepted pair. Therefore, the sum of the numbers is 130. Our next problem is the sum of the HCF and LCM of two numbers is 680 and the LCM is 84 times the HCF. If one of the numbers is 56, find the other. From SSC 2005. Now we assume HCF as x. Since LCM is 84 times the HCF, therefore LCM is 84x. Now the sum of HCF and LCM of two numbers is 680. So according to question, x plus 84x equal to 680. From this we can get x equal to 8. Therefore HCF equal to 8 and LCM equal to 84 into 8, that is 672. Now we know second number equal to HCF into LCM by first number. Putting the values in the respective position, we can get second number equal to 96. Our next problem is two 3 digits numbers have their HCF 29 and LCM 4147. The sum of the numbers is. SSC 2005. Solution. Since their HCF is 29, so 29 is the only common factor. Therefore, we can assume that the two numbers are 29x and 29y. Now their LCM is 29xy. Since their LCM is 4147, so according to question, 29xy equal to 4147, that is xy equal to 143. Now we can write 143 as 1 into 143 and as 11 into 13. From the first pair, that is x equal to 1 and y equal to 143, we will have the numbers that is 1 into 29 and 143 into 29, that is 29 and 4147. From the second pair of xy, that is 13 and 11, we will get the numbers as 11 into 29 and 13 into 29, that is 319 and 377. Since the two numbers are 3 digits, so 319 and 377 is the only possible pair. Now the sum of the two numbers is 696. Our next problem is the ratio between two numbers is 2:3. If their LCM is 150, then the numbers are. Solution. We will assume the common factor is x. Therefore, the two numbers are 2x and 3x. Now, their LCM is 6x. Given that LCM is 150, so according to question, 6x equal to 150. So, x equal to 25. Therefore, the two numbers are 2 into 25 and 3 into 25. That is 50 and 75. Our next problem is the ratio between two numbers is 15:11. If their HCF is 13, then the numbers are. Since their HCF is 13, so the common factor is 13. Therefore, the two numbers are 15 into 13 and 11 into 13. That is 195 and 143. Our next problem is the HCF of two numbers is 8. Which of the following numbers cannot be the LCM of these numbers? Solution. We know that LCM must be divisible by HCF. That is, HCF must be a factor of LCM. Here only 60 is not divisible by 8. That is, LCM is not divisible by HCF. So 60 cannot be the LCM of the numbers. Our last problem is if the two numbers are in the ratio of 2:3 and the product of their HCF and LCM is 33750, then the sum of the numbers is. Now we assume their HCF is x. So the numbers are 2x and 3x. Therefore their LCM is 6x. Now the product of their HCF and LCM is 33750. So according to question, x into 6x equal to 33750, which implies x equal to 75. Now, so the numbers are 2 into 75 and 3 into 75, that is 150 and 225. Therefore, the sum of these two numbers is 375. Please subscribe our channel 1 to N Teaching and click the bell button to get notifications. If this video helps you, then please like this video, drop your comment and share this video.